Hello friends, welcome to our quantitative reasoning class. This is sample J. Alright, remember we're still treating the 2022 quantitative reasoning. Alright, in this sample J, we also have a cross like we had in one of our samples, right? So you have a cross with 4 pots. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 across the 3 patterns given to us. Okay, and remember we said that when you have a cross, usually you could have the horizontal line working together and vertical working together. Alright, or you could also have it like this, diagonally, or like this. Okay, then you could also have the 3 working together to produce the one on top, or these 3 up working together to produce the one down, right? Whichever way, you just have to study as fast as possible, because this is an exam and you have a few seconds to analyze your sample and go over to solve your questions. So let's try our number combinations. Alright, so I'm also seeing this for the first time. So the first thing I'm going to check is the relationship between the numbers that I have here. So I'm focusing on this sample. So once I'm done with this, I'll check with the other ones. Okay, the first thing I could see here is 2, 6 and 12, and I know that 2 times 6 is 12. So I quickly check that with the other sample. 6 times 9, oh no, it's not 15. 8 times 4 is not 20, it's not 18. Okay, so that means this 2 times 6, 12 is misleading, so that is not it. So we move away from that and check again. What could it be? Okay, alright, so here we have 6 and 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. You see another misleading here, right? So 6 plus 9 is 15, but 2 plus 6 is not 12, and 8 plus 4 is not 12. So you must be careful, alright? Because they're all over the samples, things that could easily mislead you. So what can we do to get the answer? So I'm thinking too, alright? Should I try 12 plus 6? 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay, I have no relationship with other ones here. Okay, what else can I try? Okay, 70 plus 2 is 72. Alright, 72. 72 has a relationship with 12 and 6, and that is 12 times 6. Yes, 12 times 6 is 72, and 70 plus 2 is 72. Okay, so let me check that here. 15 times 9, so I could just quickly do my 15 times 9. 15 times 9, okay, 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 4 is 13, so that's 135. So I'll check if 129 plus 6 is also 135. So 129 plus 6, 6 plus 9 is 15, and 1 plus 2 is 3, and 135. So I think I got a balance there. So 64 plus 8, 64 plus 8 is 72. Then 4 times 18, that's 40 plus 32, 72. Alright, so correct. I've used my balance to analyze the sample. Okay, but one thing that helped me with my analysis is my number facts. I know my multiplication table, at least from 1 to 12, and I also remember how to combine my numbers to get whatever I want. So very important in this study is your knowledge of the multiplication table. So preparing for this exam, you have no option than to know your multiplication fact. Alright, because when I did 70 plus 2, and I got 72, I was able to connect it with my multiplication fact, knowing that 12 times 6 or 6 times 12 is 72. Alright, so let's use our balance and write our answer. So here I know that 12 times 6 is equal to 70 plus 2. Alright, this is what I call balance. Alright, then you could also do this in combination mode. So if I'm to combine this, I will do 12 times 6 first, then take away 2, and I will have 70. Alright, because 2 was added here. If I want only 70, I'll subtract 2. Alright, and I have 70. The same thing, if I want only 2, I'll subtract 70, and I have only 2. So that would be 12 times 6 minus 70, and that will give me 2. So I have the formula for this and this. So then we have the multiplication part. So let's use the addition. So that means I would have 70 plus 2 first. So once I have my 70 plus 2, because I multiply here, then I'll have to divide. Divide this by 6, then I'll have my 12. 70 plus 2 again, divide by 12, and I will have my 6. Okay. Alright, so we have the formula for each part. First, let me go over the analysis again. I was able to discover the balance, okay, balance with different operation now. Alright, so we use addition here and we use multiplication. So if we do 12 times 6, we have 72, and we do 70 plus 2, we have 72. And remember, I was able to confirm it with the two other patterns. If it's not confirmed, then it won't be correct. Alright, so I've been able to confirm that this is balancing with different operation, alright, addition and multiplication, giving us the same answer. So 12 times 6 is 72, and 70 plus 2 is 72, creating a balance here. Alright, so the horizontal line, horizontal balance the vertical. Alright, so then using our combination, operation combinations now. So we have 12 times 6 here, which should give us 72. So if we want only 2 out of this 72, if we want only 70 out of the 72, we'll take away 2. Right, that's the formula there. Now if we want only 70, only 2, we'll take away 70. And that's what we've done here. So this formula will guide us to find anything that is missing in the place of 70 or 2. Then for 12 and 6, we have the complete part on the vertical line, which is addition. So 70 plus 2 is 72. So for us to get 12, we divide 72 by 6. Alright, since the two of them were multiplied, so we do the opposite, which is division. So we divide by 6, giving us 12. Then we add again, divide by 12, giving us 6. So we take these formulas into our questions, and that would help us to solve. Alright, so let's go ahead with question number 31. So in question number 31, this part is missing. That is in place of 6. So how did we get our 6 here? How did we get our 6? We added the vertical line, 70 plus 2, and we'll divide by the other one. Okay, so that means we're going to do 71 plus 1, 71 plus 1 divided by 9. 71 plus 1 will give us 72. And 72 divided by 9. Alright, from our multiplication fact, we should know that 9 times 8 is 72, right? So that means 72 divided by 9 is 8. Okay, 72 divided by 9 is 8. So this is answer. The answer is 8. Alright, number 32. We have this spot missing, that is in place of 70 here. So how did we get our 70? We multiply the horizontal 12 times 6 and we subtracted the other one down. So that means we're going to do 9 times 6 minus 3. So 9 times 6 minus 3. Right? 9 times 6 minus 3. So 9 times 6 is 54. Alright? 9 times 6 is 54. Then 54 minus 3 equals 51. Alright? 9 times 6 is 54. Then 54 minus 3 is 51. Alright? Then for the last one, number 33, we have the part here missing, that is in place of 2. So how did we get our 2? We did 12 times 6 minus 70. This times this minus this. So we do 11 times 9 minus 79. So we're doing 11 times 9. Then whatever we get to subtract 79 from it. Okay, 11 times 9 is 99. Then let's take away 79. So 9 minus 9 is 0, and 9 minus 7 is 2. So 99 minus 79 is 20. So the answer to number 33 is 20. Alright, so please you can go over the video again, especially the analysis. And remember, you have to master your multiplication fact for you to work fast and be able to spot the relationship between the numbers as quickly as possible. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.